ora, good evening. It's so great to be with you here on Shine TV, and a happy Lunar New Year going out to you. Now, Waitangi Day is coming up this weekend. Now, as you know, usual events have been cancelled, but there are still many reasons to celebrate. Now, the Bible Society New Zealand has recently launched a new Māori English edition of the Bible, and it's such great timing for Waitangi. Now, joining us on the show this evening, Steve McRoby. He is the Relationships Director for the Bible Society. Steve, thanks so much for joining me on the couch.
Kia ora, Diane. It's good to be here.
Yeah.
Thanks for the invitation.
Hey, and congratulations on these beautiful Bibles. I've got to say, they are absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, we're very pleased with them. They've come out well, and as you say, they look absolutely beautiful.
They really do. They really do. Now, look, there was a church service recently to launch the Diglot. Can you tell us about that? I mean, it was pre-red light, so it would have been quite a celebration, I'm guessing. Well,
it was a little bit of an undercover one, but it was happened down in Gisborne, and Te Pihopo Aotearoa, the Most Reverend Don Tamahiri, oversaw the proceedings. We had some other folk that joined us on the day too, Reverend Wayne Dekawa, who's teaching Māori theology down there in Otago. And so it was a number of students had been there for that week in Gisborne who came and celebrated the blessing and the launch of these particular Bibles.
Oh, that sounds really, really cool. I mean, it's been quite some time in the making. In fact, last year was the 175th anniversary for the Bible Society, and across the year, some of the fundraising was in fact for the Diglot. I mean, how does it feel to achieve that now?
Yeah, look, it's great. We've this has been a work in progress, and it's been sort of in the background for a number of years now. So to actually have it and publish it and make it available to people here in Aotearoa, New Zealand, it's a wonderful feeling.
Now, this is actually an updated version of the one that was done in the 1990s. Can you tell us about the updated version? What's the difference?
Yeah, well, the one in the 1990s had the Māori side by side with the King James version. This particular translation is still the 1952 translation update of the Māori Bible, which was then overseen by people like Sir Aparana Ngata, Reverend Frederick Bennett, who was the Te Pihopo Aotearoa, the first Māori Anglican bishop there, and a number of other men who were involved in that, both Māori and Pākehā. So they revised that in 1952, and in 2012 we modernised that particular version. When I say modernised, we included the macrons over certain lettering to extend the vowels. We did the sentencing structures, as well as putting in some of the headings just on top of the pages. So this is the 2012 modernised version that's sitting there, side by side with the NRSV, the New Revised Standard Version.
Sounds like so much work. It really does. Well done, and congratulations again. So tell us, why is doing something like this so important for Kiwis, for New Zealanders?
I think it's an expression of who we are, and particularly in this nation of Aotearoa, New Zealand, to be able to pick this taonga, this treasure, this book up, and to be open it and to be reminded of the history that we actually have here in this nation as Māori and Pākehā, those people of the land and those that came to this nation. We hope that it'll have purposes in many, many different arenas. A couple of them could be in a bicultural service, in a worship there. Instead of people going from one book to another, one Bible to another, they can be able to read side by side over here. We're also hoping that this new edition will be very helpful for those who are students who are studying, whether that be te reo Māori or it could be some theological studies, that they'll be able to get a grasp, a bit of an understanding as they go between these two translations side by side.
So I guess the last question, Steve, is where do people get it?
We can get these from our Mana Christian stores. We've got 14 stores throughout the country, or you can just go to our website, which is www.mana.co.nz.
Hey, thank you so much for being on Shine TV this evening with me. It is so good to be talking about it. And I just want to say, congratulations once again. It is a most beautiful Bible and so timely as we head to Waitangi Day this weekend. Thanks, Steve.
Thanks, Diane. Kia ora.
And next on Shine TV, we've got compassion stories, followed by your midweek movie, Signed, Sealed, Delivered, 1 in a Million. And I'll see you after that.